from Fibonacci.com here. It's live from Rome, Italy. How are you, everybody? How is your week? Let me know who is with me. Say hi. Don't be shy. Let's just see that I'm seeing you, everybody. Let me know that you hear me well, see me well. How are you, everybody? Hi, hi, hi. And we are live. Let's see that you hear me well. It's live from Rome. Okay, you hear me well, see me well. This is Tamir from Fibonacci Traders. This is the last week of July. And what a week are we going to have? We have all the big names coming up. We have FOMC rate decision coming up. Stay alert, sit on hands, and in my opinion, just don't trade during this week. Stay off the screens. How are you, everybody? So, as we can see, we are back. We are back here. Hi Shir, hi Sir, hi. No, I was in China. I'm living in China now. Just yesterday, landed in Rome for family vacation through Italy. A few days in Rome, the most beautiful city that I ever saw, and I have been quite few places around the world. This is the outmost beautiful city in the world. So, should we do this live in English, Hebrew, or maybe in Italian? What do you say? Hi Rami, Alexei, Eran, Sir, Gili, Amir, Amit, Dudu, more? Hi. What do you want? You want in English, you want in Italian, you want in Spanish, you want in, I don't know, which language should we talk? Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Let's get this live on the road. So for those who don't know me, my name is Tamir. I'm a 7 years plus, almost 8 years professional trader. Yes, I use only Fibonacci and trend lines to help me know where price might be heading next. Hi Shai, Mo, Sally, Praf, Amir wants in Chinese. Sorry, I don't know how to speak in Chinese. I can speak in Hebrew or English. We have the futures over here. By the way, YouTube just brought me back the super chat. So check here. Where is it? Over here somewhere. Somewhere over here. I have the WeChat super chat. So if you want to support this channel, you are more than welcome. And of course, if you want to take your trading journey to the highest level, check the links in the description below. If you want financial freedom, for me, what is financial freedom? Taking my family to vacations. I can provide them with everything that they need, especially for my daughters, everything that they need. I can go family vacations, the highest private schools that I can provide them. So this is financial freedom. Family time whenever we want, for how long we want, and wherever we want to go. This is financial freedom. If you want to become financial freedom, not only in your bank account, also in your mind. Financial freedom is bank account, but also in your mind. If you work, and you do not take family time, family vacation, family time, call it whatever you want, it's not financial freedom. If you want to become financial freedom, I will guide you how to do it. We work hand by hand. You just need to check the links in the description below. Choose your path to financial freedom, the one-on-one live mentorship program or the online master class expert program. Both programs are basically the same. Both programs will give you lifetime access for support, guidance with me, no one else, and of course all the Discord channels and the FTI, and you will get all the tools that you need and want, and all the tools that I'm using on how to make money and how to become financial freedom through trading. So who is with me? Who did I miss? Amir, Shai, Samsung, Ron, hi. obstacle, and Zurich. Let's start with the futures for now. Let's see what's going on in the futures. SPY going up 0.6, QQQ going almost 1%, IWM 0.9, Dow Jones 0.5, Apple a little bit red, AMD tomorrow after the bell 1.4% to the upside, Tesla going 2%, overall green for now. For now, everything can change. Who else is with me? Hi Ofer, how Udi? How did you like the music in the beginning? How did you like the music? Now we are starting to break above the 54.90 area. We are above this trend line, and as long as we're above this trend line, we are heading north, right? What else do we have? What else? No jet lag. Jet lag is for the week. Italy is amazing. Hi Iran. Hi. So what else do we have? What else? Did you watch my videos during the weekend? Have you watched my videos? I posted 4 videos. Weekly market recap. This is the Fibonacci Traders YouTube channel. This is our channel. This is not my channel. This is our channel. During weekends, I have 2 weekly market recaps. One in Hebrew, one in English. Also top stocks to watch list. One in English, one in Hebrew. We have the playlists. We have the Fibonacci Traders Academy playlist, 4 videos on how to become a better trader on the technical side and the psychology behind trading. We are now just under 4,700 subscribers and over 1,200 videos. The only technical analysis YouTube channel that provides multi-language and 2 lives every day, the pre-market live and the midnight market midnight halftime show, sorry. During my stay in Italy, I don't know the correct schedule. I will try to do everything in my power to bring 2 lives every day. So all you need to do is just hit the notification bell and you will know when is the next live. What else do we have? What else? CATX. Let's check CATX. What's going on with CATX? What's going on with the FTI? CATX looking good, bullish on all time frames. What's the volume on this one? Let's check volume. Let's check volume once again. How is the volume on this one? How is the volume? One second. Volume pretty nice. Bullish on all time frames. Long continuation above the 490. When is the earnings? Earnings still have time. Always watch for earnings. Long continuation above the 490 towards 1670 and 19 to the upside. What platform to Interactive Brokers? Interactive Brokers. You have also in Israel Interactive Brokers. Pretty simple, pretty good. I don't have any affiliate with them, but I'm super happy with them. Hi Zorik, thank you very much. Udi, Slapsky, Shai, are you going to day trade? I don't think so. I'm going to the Coliseum. I have tickets for the evening tour in the Coliseum in just, what's the time now here? Lost in just under 3 hours. I have the night tour in the Coliseum, and then I'm going to the fountain, to the Travesi fountain. Anyway, Rome is no words, ladies and gentlemen. First time in Rome, first time in Italy, and I can tell you it's a big Wow. No words. No words. ENPH. 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 End phase. End phase looking good. End phase was on my top stocks. Who asked for end phase? Uwe, you did not see my top stocks to watch, have you? End phase was one of them. We are going long on end phase above the 124 area. Bullish on 3 out of 4 time frames. Let's break above the 124 and we will see 131 and 141. Hi Aliza, hi. Yitzhak, you like the music? I can turn it back on if you like it. Del for Hagai. Del. Let's check Del. Del looking very bearish. Del looking very bearish below the 109 area. You are going to close this gap at the 94. Bearish on all time frames. On for Yovel, sorry. Let's check on earnings on. Oh, she have earnings today. Already past earnings. Had earnings. Gap to the upside. Now the 74 area is the support. Don't chase gaps. Let it cool down. Don't chase after earnings. Gaps down, gaps ups. Don't chase after earnings. Overall, it's looking good. I will wait for another day or two on this one. Ethereum. Let's check Ethereum. Ethereum. Let's check in the past 4 hours. As you can see, the 33.80, very tough resistance. It was a very important area of support. Long continuation above it, and you will see 34.50. This is the 4 hours time frame. Always zoom in, zoom out to get a better point of view. If you're already long, as long as we're above the 33.30 area, it's good to be long. No need to break your head. Just put the FTI in your chart, and you will see this green label as your risk management. IWM looking pretty good. Why is the volume here? Let's put it over here. IWM looking super bullish. Now let's see continuation above the 226, and then you will see 235 and 244.70 to the upside. How about those likes and subscribe, ladies and gentlemen? I'm doing this live especially for us, for a new trading week, the most important trading week of this quarter, maybe for this year. All I want in return, I ask. Don't want, I ask, with your permission, of course. Hit the like and subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. Bring friends, bring family. So this was IWM. Yes, it's the Trevi Fountain. RKT. And if you want, of course, you are. And it will be much appreciated. Just if you want to support this channel, just hit the super chat. RKT, Rocket Lab, bullish on all time frames. As long as you're above 15, you are good to go. 1680 and 1780 to the upside. Qualcomm, yes, it's the Trevi Fountain. Just went to the Pantheon. I must say, the Pantheon is not for the Pantheon. A little bit overrated, in my opinion. A little bit overrated. I went to the Jewish synagogue in the Jewish ghetto in Rome. Amazing. Qualcomm, Wednesday, be careful. Earnings, don't trade in earnings. Do not trade through earnings. Why? Because you don't know the results. You don't know how the market will react to those earnings. It can go down 10%, 15%. Always prepare for the worst case scenario. And the worst case scenario in trading is to protect the downside. And because we don't know how the market will react to those numbers, can go up, it can go down, regardless of the numbers of the earnings. Stay away. Do not go with open position into earnings. Moreover, Qualcomm is bearish on multi-time frames. Nothing much on Qualcomm. Below 173, you will see 157. See what's on which stock you're talking about. Which one? See which one? Which one? Which one? Let me know which one you're talking about. What else? What else? What else? What else? CHPT. CHPT, it was on my top stocks to watch. Charge point. If you did not see my top stocks to watch, you should go and see my top stocks to watch. You have in Hebrew, you have in English. CHPT, I'm waiting about, as long as you're above the 2 area, you're good to go. Above the 244, 276, and 316. Tesla. Tesla looking pretty nasty. Bearish on all time frames. You have this gap over here. This gap needs to get filled. We need to hold above the 207 for now. No go on long on Tesla. Just no go. Tesla is looking for now very bad. You have a gap over here. You have a gap over here. You also have a gap over here. And of course you have the 148 gap. If you're a trader, Tesla looks very bad. Let's check XLE for one. XLE looking pretty good. Let's see continuation above the 93 area towards 94.50 and then 96.50 and then towards the 100. Solana looking good. Solana looks, let's see. Solana, this is the 4 hours. As you can see, consolidation 187.50. I like to look and beat on the cryptos. I like to look on the 4 hours chart. I don't like the daily charts. I like the 4 hours chart. It gives me a better point of view of price action. Breaking above the 194 and Solana is primed to go all the way to where? Just put trend lines on your chart. 201 and 211 to the upside. As long as Solana and the 4 hours time frame is inside this channel, you are going up. Solana looking very good. Chagai Abir, thank you very much for this amazing super chat. If you have any question, I will be more than happy to answer you. Thank you very much, Chagai Abir. Chagai or Abir? Let me know. Hi Ata Maxim, how are you? Yuval, thank you very much. Lulu. So Chagai, if you have any question, any request, please be my guest. And Ronen and Yakir, let's see, why do you hear so bad? Chagai Abir. It's because I'm in Italy. I'm in traveling. I'm not in my office. So it is what it is. It's better than nothing. See, I like Lulu. Bearish on all time frames until proven otherwise. You are sliding down on this yellow trend line. Do not try to catch the bottom. Do not try to buy the dip. Do not try to buy a falling knife. Why? Because you will. It's not the microphone. It's the mic from the laptop. Guys, girls, I have nothing to do about it. It is what it is. I will try tomorrow to fix it. I will buy a new mic. For now, it is what it is. Lululemon looking pretty nasty. Best eye cream? Yeah. Everywhere you go here, almost everywhere you have pretty good. ice cream are for the Pantheon. The Pantheon itself, not for the Pantheon. Hayata Maxim, thank you very much. GE. Let's check GE. GE. Did it break consolidation? Not so. I would wait above the 170, another day above the 172. Another day closing above the 172, and then you can say it broke this consolidation, and then you will see 177, 183, and 199. IPG looking good. IPG looking good. As long as you're above the 29.90, you are good to go long. You are bullish on all time frames. Long continuation above the 31 area. You will see 31.75, 32.80, and 34 to the upside. Beam. Let's talk about Beam. Beam Therapeutics starting to crawl up. As long as you're above the 31 area, you are good to continue long position. Bullish on all time frames. 37.60, 42 are next. Watch for earnings. Thank you very much, Yakir. Sir, if you want, check the links in the description below. Once you choose all the programs that you see in the links below, you have it in English and in Hebrew. You have the mentorship program or the online master program. Both programs available in English, Hebrew. Both programs comes with lifetime access for support and guidance from me anytime you want until whenever you want. Of course, my aim is to shorten your learning curve so you will not need a full 2 years like it took me. For some of my students, it took 2 months. For some of them, 6 months. For some of them, even 1 year. But you are learning a profession. To be a trader is to learn profession. So if you want to become professional trader, whether you want to swing trade, day trade, I'm here for you. Just choose the right path, and I assure you I will be there with you hand by hand until you will know everything that I know. Everything. Then we just talked about Yakir, thank you very much. Beam looking good. We talked about Flex. Let's check about Flex. Yes, I'm doing one-on-one mentorships here. I am. Just check the links in the description below. You have the mentorship program. You have all the links in the description below. Also in English. Keep scrolling down. You have everything also in Hebrew. This is for the Hebrew. Just check the links in the description below. Check it out. Flex, still bearish on multi-time frames. I would wait for another 2 days above the 32 area. Intel. Let's check Intel. Intel. Intel looking bearish. No longer on Intel. 29.80 is the next support. Let's check Teva. Teva, still consolidation to the consolidation between the 1650 and the 1770. Long continuation only above the 1770. Watch out for earnings coming up Wednesday before the opening bell. Amazon, funny things. Amazon bearish on all time frames now. This area, the 184.5 area is the resistance. 180 support, below it 173. Earnings coming up August 1st, this Thursday after the bell. iSurge. Let's check iSurge. Intuitive Surgical holding strong above the upper border of the yellow zone. Still bearish on 3 out of 4 time frames. I would wait for another daily close above the 450. Zorik, thank you very much for this amazing super chat. Zorik, my friend, I do appreciate you. Let's check NCNO. MCNO from my top stocks to watch. And as you can see, we are above the 32 area, bullish on all time frames. Let's see, as long as it's holding, in my opinion, the 32.80 area, we can go long 34, and then we have a slight gap over here. Above it, 35 and 37 to the upside. MCNO bullish on all time frames. Shachar, we talked about Dell just a few minutes ago. AMD, let's check AMD. AMD looking super bad. Zorik, once again, thank you very much, my friend, for this amazing super chat. AMD looking very good, bad. Earnings coming up tomorrow, Tuesday, after the closing bell. Bearish on all time frames. MSTR, bullish on all time frames. Long continuation above the 1810 towards 1982 and 2200. All you need, ladies and gentlemen, put the FT on your chart. It will save you a lot of time, and it will help you make better, smarter decisions. Better, smarter decisions. Bullish on all time frames. What is ILL? ILL? What is ILL? I don't know. Sharon, I don't know what is ILL. Yes, sir, I do prefer that when students come to me, they will come like a blank paper, no knowledge, open mind, blank on everything. We start from the beginning. You need to have the basic knowledge of what is candles. Not even what is candles, you don't need, but you need to know what is a buy, what is a sell. Okay, the basic information, the basic. Once you know what is buy, what is sell, what is a stock, what is the stock market, that's it. That's it. From there, I will teach you everything from A to Z, from zero to professional trader. So yes, even if you don't have, especially if you don't have, I prefer that students that start with me, they will come blank. No knowledge whatsoever, no knowledge of support, no knowledge of resistance, no knowledge of what is candles, nothing, no knowledge of what is a trend, nothing. Why? Because it's easier for me to scalp your mind and to give you the best point of view, in my opinion, of course, what's working for me and how to trade. So yeah, I hope it answered your question. Alar. Send me message on Discord here, and we will talk about it in details. No problem whatsoever. Alar, looking pretty good, pretty bad. Bearish on 3 out of 4 time frames. 23 is the support. 32 is resistance. Nothing much on Alar. IWM we just talked about. CDWAP a few minutes ago, and if you want, just check the YouTube channel. You have the stock market recap in English and in Hebrew, so check it out. IWM is one of those. In this review, Eli Lilly, let's check Eli Lilly, looking pretty bad. Earnings next week, Thursday. Bearish on all time frames. Eli Lilly looks very bad. How about those likes and subscribe, ladies and gentlemen? I don't see those subscribes and likes. Box, bullish on all time frames. 27.30 is all this area. The 27.40, 27.30 is the support. Above 20, above last week's highs, we are going to the 29 and 30, 50 to the upside. DFH, let's check DFH. Dream Finders Homes, A long continuation above the 34.20, and you will see 37 and 40.45 to the upside. Let's see any news coming up. No news. Nothing much. Nothing much. Yeah, in my opinion, Alon, thank you very much for this amazing super chat. I do appreciate you, my friend. Let's talk about Eli Lilly. We talked about Eli Lilly, Alon, just 1 minute ago. So if you want just another name, be my guest. If you want another name, Eli Lilly looks really bad. Earnings in just 10 days, bearish on all time frames. Nothing on Eli Lilly. 800 is the support, below it 750 to the downside. Alone, if you want another name, be my guest. Yes, Jonathan, I was in the Pantheon just 2 hours ago. In my opinion, the Pantheon, overrated. It's not for the Pantheon. Have super sites here, so many great, in my opinion, of course, much more beautiful sites than the Pantheon. All the surrounding of the Pantheon, the small streets, super amazing. But the Pantheon itself, it's nice to look from outside. From the inside, in my opinion, save your money for something else. Toast and Roma is super expensive. Super. But it's worth every euro. Your home is worth every euro. Toast. Earnings next week. This gap is filled. What can we say about Toast? If you're already long on this name, as long as you're above the 25.35, it's okay. If you're not long yet, I would wait above the 26.50 to the upside. Shahar, we talked about Dell in this live, so just go back a few minutes ago and check Dell. It was somewhere in the beginning of this live. Pan W for Itai. Let's check Pan W. Pan W. If you're already long, 316 needs to hold. If you're not long yet, I would wait above the 335. What do I think will happen if MicroStrategy will go to the 70k? If Bitcoin will go to the 70k, what will be with MicroStrategy? It's now 70k. What's now? 70. Here we are. 70k. MicroStrategy pre-market goes up 4.16%. You have your answer. If, not if, Bitcoin is now at the 70k, boom. See? Exactly. 70k, 70k 054. Where is MicroStrategy? Pre-market 4.24. 1827. You got your answer. Not if. Live. Palantir. Let's check PLTR. If you're not long yet, I would wait. Mixed signals, bearish on the daily, bullish on the weekly. In my opinion, only above 27.90 to the upside with 20. Let's check the last 21 trading days, so we'll get more accurate price action. In my opinion, only above the 27.60, 26.26 needs to hold support. Here goes earnings. You're more than welcome on it. Not a competitor in prices in Israel. A long time I've listened. The prices in Israel are crazy. Can we talk in Hebrew for now? From now on, can we talk in Hebrew? For the last 5 minutes of this live, I will start talking in Hebrew. Your past earnings looking good. עברתי חזרה לאנגלית משום מה. המשך עליות מעל הגבוה של שבוע שעבר לכיוון הגאפ הזה. שמתי לי התראה לראות איפה פסטינל סוגרת את השבועי. בכל מקרה, ישראל יקרה, הבעיה היא, זה לא בעיה, הפלוס הענק ברומא, שאתה מוציא ארגזים של כסף, ארגזים, אין לזה בכלל אח ורע בעולם לכסף שנשפך פה. אין לי מילים אפילו לתאר את העיר הזאת, ואני פה בערך 24 שעות. יש לי עוד 48 שעות ועוד 24 שעות לפני החזרה לסין. זה משוגע. משוגע מה שקורה פה. באמת. אין לי מילה אחרת. איך? פי 1000 יותר יפה מלונדון. פי 1000 יותר יפה מלונדון. לטעמי. כל אחד וטעמו. איזה לונדון? לטעמי. רומא לא לונדון, לא פריז. היא משהו לא רגיל. באמת. משהו לא רגיל. אפשר להסתובב פה שעות על גבי שעות ולא מפסיקים להתפעל מכל סמטה, מכל רחוב, מכל מבנה. יש להם עושר כזה. לא מדבר על האוכל שהוא ממש. כן, אבל בישראל המחירים פסיכיים, אבל אין תמורה לאגרה. אתה שם, קונה רבע אבטיח עם שתי זה של קוטג', שתי כפיות של קוטג', זה הולך לך 60 שקל. מה עוד? מתחת לקולוסיאום יש עיר תחתית. משוגעת. פיקר. בריש ביומי, בריש בשבועי, 101 התנגדות חזקה, 93 תמיכה, פיקר נכון לכרגע אין בה כלום ללונג. בואו נראה מה החוזים עושים. הנה, אנחנו עכשיו צריכים להחזיק את האזור הצהוב הזה, ושוב פעם חברים וחברות, הולך להיות פה שבוע הכי מטורף של הרבעון הזה, ואולי הכי מטורף של שאר השנה, של שאר 2024. יש לנו כמובן את כל הגדולות, זה מתחיל מחר עם AMD קיצור, וביום רביעי יש לנו את החלטת הריבית, שכנראה הריבית תישאר על כנה ללא שינוי, אבל עדיין הולך להיות שבוע סופר תנודתי. תיזהרו. רק Airbnb, בכל מה שסגרנו באיטליה, גם ברומא, גם בנפולי, גם בסיציליה, גם בטוסקנה, הכל Airbnb, לא לקחנו אפילו מלון אחד. רק Airbnb, יש פה דירות ויש פה דברים מדהימים. מדהים. לא הייתי, אני אהיה עוד שבוע וחצי, אני בנפולי. אז גם משם נעשה לייב, ונעשה לייב מטוסקנה, ונעשה לייב מפירנצה, ואולי נעשה לייב מפיזה, עיר הולדתו של ליאונרדו פיבונאצ'י. אם אני ממליץ על רומא, אין לי מילים. חד משמעית. באמת. תבטלו את כל החופשות. רק רומא. אם לא הייתם ברומא, אני בטוח עוד יחזור לפה. מדהים. רונן, אתה רוצה שניגש לפוליטיקה? לא פה. ויתרתי כרגע, אמיר, על אמלפי וסורנטו. אני עם שתי ילדות קטנות שלי. אין לי מה לנסוע לשם כרגע. פעם הבאה. כן, אנחנו בלייב מיוחד. נדבר פה גם רגע לאשתי. אנחנו בלייב מיוחד פה גם על המלצות על רומא. כן. מה השעה? יש לנו סיור. יש לנו סיור בקולוסיאום. מה עוד? כן. שאלות. תשובות. מה עוד? זהו. סיימנו. זהו, אז חברים וחברות, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching this live. תודה רבה שוב פעם לכל מי שהצטרף ללייב הזה. באמת אני מודה לכם, אני לא לוקח את זה כמובן מאליו, לא פשוט לעצור הכל ולהסתכל עליי מברבר לדעת ביוטיוב. אני באמת מודה לכולכם. זהו, לייק, סאבסקרייב, תעבירו את הפרומון הכל. מי יודע, אולי נעשה לייב מחצית ב-6:59 שעון ישראל. אני לא יודע מה השעה פה תצא, אני כבר הלכתי לאיבוד מכל השעות. השעה פה כרגע, תגידו לי אם זה אותו דבר כמו בארץ, השעה כרגע 3:12 דקות, לדעתי זה בדיוק כמו בארץ. שעה הבדל נראה לי, אנחנו פה באיטליה, שעה הבדל. אז תודה רבה לכולם. סיר, תדברי איתי בדיסקורד לגבי התוכנית Mentorship. חברים וחברות, לייק, סאבסקרייב, תעבירו את הפרומון הכל. אני הייתי פה, תמיר מאיטליה. עד הסרטון הבא, עד הלייב הבא, צ'או.